Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open LINKPAYS link. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So if you get the link, you basically want to click on the link, and then you have to wait for 7 seconds. And then once it loads up, you have to scroll all the way to the bottom, where you have to click on the Open Continue button, as you can see it here. And then you want to wait another 7 seconds. Yes, it's pretty annoying and it takes time how to open the LINKPay links, but you wait those 6 seconds and then you want to scroll down and click on Open Continue at the bottom of your destination link. So once again, you want to go all the way to the bottom, click on the link, wait again, and once you wait again, finally your link will be ready. You just click on Get Link and you will get your link. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.